Have you ever wondered which is better, training calisthenics or gym? Today, I'm going to show you the difference between these two training styles and help you understand which one matches your goals. Calisthenics is a type of workout that uses only your own body weight. Gym, on the other hand, is training done with machines, dumbbells, and weights. When we talk about calisthenics and gym, the first big difference is muscle gain. Gym is more efficient in this aspect because you can progressively increase the load with weights and machines. Calisthenics also brings hypertrophy, but it requires harder progressions and advanced movements. In terms of functional strength, calisthenics has the advantage since it works the whole body, developing balance, coordination, and mobility. Gym, on the other hand, focuses more on isolated muscles, which generate strength but with less transfer to everyday movements. When it comes to calorie burning and definition, calisthenics usually spends more energy because it engages the entire body in each exercise. Gym burns less during the workout, but the increase in muscle mass helps speed up metabolism in the long run. About accessibility, calisthenics wins points because it can be done at home, in parks, or on the street with no cost. Gym requires a fitness center or setting up a space with equipment, which can be more expensive. When we talk about variety and progression, gym offers hundreds of machines and different exercises, which makes it easier to change up your training. Calisthenics has fewer options, but brings iconic challenges like the planche, muscle up, and front lever. And finally, in terms of safety, gym tends to be more beginner-friendly since it allows better control of load and movements. Calisthenics requires technique from the start, and without it, the risk of overuse injuries is higher. So, which one is better? The answer is simple. It depends on what you want to achieve. If your goal is to have an agile, resistant body with great control, calisthenics is a great choice. Now, if you want to increase muscle volume and have more definition is the right path. And remember, you can also combine both and enjoy the best of each style. And if you want to learn how to go from 0 to doing Saint push-ups in a row, go check out my short where I show you the step-by-step.